Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30, I think. Let me just make sure. Yep, Edge 30. And today I will show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this phone. As you will probably realize, on this little casing it says Xiaomi Redmi 9, but I'll quickly demonstrate something. The glass itself is roughly the same size, so it fits basically perfectly on here. There we go. So that is what I'm going to be using. Obviously, if you bought a tempered glass specifically for this phone, which you most likely did, your glass will be a little bit more fitted to the actual phone, so you might need to be a little bit more precise than I will. But I'm gonna quickly go over how I also apply the tempered glass just later on. Anyway, to get started, in the case with your tempered glass, you should also get a wet and dry wipe. You can use those. Honestly, I prefer to throw it out just because the size of these wet and dry wipes is just pitiful. And additionally, sometimes the dry wipe, or not dry, the wet wipe is already dry, so it kind of defeats the purpose of it. So what I utilize instead of these wipes is just a microfiber cloth. For me, it works perfectly, and that's what I'm going to be using throughout the video. You can do that too, or you can use those wipes instead if you want to, or if you don't have a microfiber cloth, it works just as well. The only downside of using these things, the liquid that is on them leaves like smudges when you try to wipe it down with a dry wipe later on, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, once you have your either this wet wipe or microfiber cloth, you want to clean off the display. So I'm gonna do that right now. Make sure you basically get rid of like any kind of grime that is on here. There's like some particle right here and fingerprint and dust everywhere, so make sure you clean it off. And if you already have the case applied to your phone, I do recommend keeping it. It will help you with applying your tempered glass. The reason for this is when you place it down, if you place it a little bit to the left or right, or for instance not high enough or low enough, the actual case edges of it will keep the tempered glass from fully applying. So then you can lift it up and reposition it to be perfect. And the reason you might want to keep that in mind is because if it's going to be a little bit to the right or left, it's not going to have like a fully sealed. It's not going to fully seal to the case itself, so it might stick out or be lifted just a little bit from one edge, and you'll have like this area where you can see that the kind of glue stops and never touches later on the display. So from there you can just lift it up. Don't worry, nothing will happen. And as long as you don't actually touch the sticky side, just make sure you touch like the edges of it, you can reapply it once more and basically have a second chance. Now, once you're ready to apply your tempered glass, do keep your fiber cloth or the dry wipe near, because once you peel off this cover, like I will do right now, you want to give the phone like a additional pass or two just to make sure that there's no dust that have settled on the display, because that might cause the tempered glass to have like air bubbles underneath. So from here, the way I apply it is I first align it with the camera if it has like the cutout for it. Then I make sure that it's evenly spaced from top right here and here, and put some pressure on it. Make sure go, and then while pinching it from this side to make sure that it's evenly spaced from left and right, I'm just gonna gently put it down, and you can see that it's right now gluing. Can help it out to make it quicker, and there we go. As you can see, it is basically perfectly applied with evenly spaced between, and there we go. Let's see if the fingerprint works. Oh, and fingerprint still works. There we go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.